Hey folks, this is my Samsung refrigerator, and you'll notice that temperature is blinking here, and that's one of a couple of things. It could be because I just put in something really warm into the refrigerator or the freezer. In this case, the refrigerator temperature is blinking, and that is going to blink until the temperature gets back to the correct temperature inside the refrigerator. However, I know that nothing warm's gone in here anytime recently. So in order to reset this, I'm going to unplug the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and just let the computer reset itself, and it should fix this problem. One of the telltale signs that you've probably noticed is your food in the refrigerator is freezing, and that's because the computer believes for some reason that the food inside has gotten really warm and it's trying to cool it off, and that's what the blinking means. Here we are several days later. You can see that the temperature is not flashing anymore. Unplugging it, leaving it unplugged for 15 minutes did solve the problem. And I mentioned how the telltale sign is frozen food, frozen liquids especially in there. At one point while I was troubleshooting this, if I press the fridge or the freezer button, it'll turn on the temperature and tell you what the temperature is inside. And my refrigerator temperature was 80 degrees. I knew that wasn't the case. There was nothing warm in there, but the refrigerator thought there was something warm. So if unplugging it doesn't solve it for you, most likely the temperature sensor, which is what this is the problem. The temperature sensor isn't sensing the correct temperature. It sends the wrong information to the computer, and the refrigerator tries to cool down when it really doesn't need to. This is about $10 on Amazon. I'll post a link in the description field if you need that, and there are other videos on YouTube on how to do that, since that wasn't the problem I had. I didn't need to replace this. So anyway, hopefully that was helpful to you and you get your refrigerator working. I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching.